Well, hey y'all. So I nearly forgot about today's song, which is weird given it's the 10th one, and you'd think that'd be a bit of a milestone. And my wrist is in mostly working order, so I'm back on the banjo. Tonight's song is by a band that I've been a fan of for coming on 10 years now. The band itself is called Death Cab for Cutie, and the song is The Sound of Settling. I've got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots that my tongue is tied off. My brain's repeating, if you've got an impulse, let it out. But they never make it past my mouth. Ba-ba, ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, 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 this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Our youth is fleeting, old age is just around the bend, and I can't wait to go gray. Now sit and wonder of every love that could have been, if I'd only thought of something charming to say. Ba-ba, ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Ba-ba, ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Ba-ba, ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. Ba-ba, ba-ba, this is the sound of settling. Ba-ba, ba-ba. I've got a hunger, twisting my stomach into knots